Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 14th, 2021. Ethereum price prediction. Why Ethereum remains at risk for a big drop. Can we see the price of Ethereum drop down to $3,000 again? Can we see the market value of Ethereum diminish over the next couple of days? I got you. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about that today on the video, and we're going to expect and see where price is going to go so that we can dominate the market against the trap, so that we can beat him at his own game, so that we can make more money than him, and so that everyone else in our community can eat. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, understand one thing: we're not here to confuse you. We're not here to give you information that you cannot utilize. We want to do things that is beneficial. We want to give you all content that you can actually learn from, that you can do for yourself without spending 25, 35, an hour worth of your time, and you get no value from these other YouTubers. So hit me up. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, because understanding price movement is relatively easy and simple as long as you understand what it means. You have to learn how to digest what the chart is reflecting so that we can understand where the market is going so that we can win. So check this out. We recently did a video in Ethereum, right, on September the 9th. Here we are, September 14th, and the price hasn't given us what we expected. And when you see these type of things, you need to come in and realize, okay, cool, I was looking for the price to go up, and instead the price has been going the opposite direction. It's been going down. So what do I need to do? I need to come in and reevaluate the market environment, and we will on this current prediction we got on the chart for Ethereum, because our original presumption was, okay, cool, yeah, we saw some weakness coming to the market in Ethereum on September the 7th, right? We saw the market dip, and the market kind of actually was able to hold support around $3,200. It was able to do that, and we're still going through that process right now. But the market, as you can see, every trading day we are making lower highs into the market. It kind of lets us know that there's not enough interest right now in the market for Ethereum. Like, a lot of people ain't trying to come in and buy the product right now. They don't want to come in and buy Ethereum. They're still thinking that the price is expensive. Simple, right? So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction, because over the last couple of days after we did this price prediction, we're not getting the type of outcome that we've been expecting, right? We haven't seen it yet. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction and count it as not correct. So if we were to get out right now, it's around 4%. Okay. Now, since we are not seeing that strength, then that means that either we will continue to consolidate within our two lines, or the price in Ethereum is going to drop to around $3,000 or lower. Those are the two options that we got on the table now, since we're not looking for the price to go up, right? So let's go ahead and get rid of this, and let's see, okay? Because the market in Ethereum, for the most part, is still holding $3,000 as support. So I'm not oblivious into thinking that the market in Ethereum is extremely weak, because it's not. But the value and the overall momentum from the monumental move we've seen starting towards the end of July, that is definitely surpassing and it's waning somewhat. And we got to take note of that. So let me show you all the 3-day time frame into the market in Ethereum, okay? Because you guys can tell over the last couple of 3-day price bars, there has been buyers, okay? I'm gonna keep it real. The people have came in and bought up Ethereum due to the market reaction that occurred on this 3-day price bar that started on September the 7th. Like, people came in and so-called quote unquote bought the dip. This is what so many people do when they see a big movement to the downside. They think that the price is automatically cheaper and that price is not going to go any lower. Well, look at the next 6 trading days, right? The market in Ethereum continues to dip. So there's more weakness that is still in play in the market in Ethereum. This is what these charts mean right now. Because if the market truly has bought all the people who are trying to sell their Ethereum, then we would have seen the market price in Ethereum at least come up here to $3,600 to let us know, yeah, we beat the weakness. We beat all of the sellers who came in and tried to sell their Ethereum. But that's not the case. You guys can see we're down here around $3,300. So there's still a little bit more weakness into the market in Ethereum. Okay. So let's see if we get anything different on the 2-day time frame. Maybe we get something different. And we're not necessarily getting anything different into the market in Ethereum here. The market currently is still reflecting to its weakness. Now, I really won't become bullish until I see this price at least come up above $3,400. I would definitely become more bullish or expecting the price to go up once the price hits 3,600, right? I can see that. Okay, I just wanted to see something there. All right, so now let me see something on the 5-day time frame. You guys can see right here that literally the market is still weak. Now, it's not extremely weak. Like I told you, we're still seeing buyers into the market, so let's not get it twisted. I don't want you all to think that the market in Ethereum is going to completely crash below 3,000, but that is still something that is applicable, that we can still see the market in Ethereum go down, right? You might even see some people give you this information right here as to how the market in Ethereum is giving you like 2 double tops to where the market came up to around $3,800 to $4,000. We're now going through that same process now. So it's going to be real important and vital for price in Ethereum to stay above 3,200, 3,000. Literally, it's going to be important for us to know, okay, cool. Last time we came up here to $38,000 to $4,000, we completely crashed. Like the price went all the way down to $1,600. We're now back up here again. If we're able to see this market hold $3,000, $3,200, that's even more bullish, right? That's even more evidence that the price is going to exceed $3,800, $4,000. And this last high, the all-time high in Ethereum, won't have any problem, won't even bear any issues with Ethereum going exceeding higher than that. Okay, so I'm trying to lay this out for you. I'm trying to give you all the play as to what to expect into the market in Ethereum. So we still need to keep our eyes focused in on this area right here. Okay, this is it. This is important. Price ever breaks below $3,000, us testing $3,800, $4,000 is not going to happen until further and further down the line in 2021, possibly even to the new year 2022, if that's the case. That's what I'm paying attention to. What are you paying attention to? Right? So you guys can see right, even right here, is that on the hourly time frame, the buyers are coming into the market now. Just like we saw in Ethereum on these last couple of 5-hour price bars. With this high volume, we just saw that again over the last, what, 5 hours? 5-hour price bars. The market's trying to prop up price. That's literally what's going on right now because of this right here. This is why the market's trying to prop up price. So now let me take it back over to the daily. I want to give your time back. I don't want to waste too much of your time. I'm going to play the weakness into the market in Ethereum. Okay. We said that $3,400 is first, but I'll take it up there around like 3,600 as the ultimate area of restriction into the market in Ethereum. And I'm not really all that bearish though. So I'm going to bring up the area of support around 3,000. So this is pretty much the play. You guys can see I'm not extremely bearish. I'm not extremely bullish, but currently, given what I'm seeing on the daily time frame, the 2-day to 3-day time frame, long term, the market looks like it's going to give us a little bit of weakness and move it to the downside. Now, from the hourly time frame, the hourly perspective, yeah, the market looks pretty strong. I've shown you on the 5-hour chart how buyers are trying to come in and stop the price from dropping. That's the current process right now. So yeah, I won't be surprised to see the market go to around 3,400. 3,500, 36. But in the end, until we see this market test again $3,200 or even 3,000, we need to be on guard. So let me give you all the TP areas that I'm looking forward to. First one would be around 3,200. All right, that's 3.75% profitability. Next area would be 3,125, $3,125, and then ultimately around 3,000. Okay. And that's it. So this is what I'm seeing now in the market in Ethereum. I want to know, call the markets for yourself. Leave me a price prediction in the comment section for Ethereum. Let me know where you think the price is going to go in the next 2 to 3 weeks. In the next 2 to 3 weeks, what will price be? Right? Forget about the next 3 to 5 years. No, where do you think price is going to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks? All right. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.